China, a land of enchantment and ancient wonders, beckons travelers from around the world to explore its rich history, captivating landscapes, and vibrant culture. As a tourism destination, China offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you in awe. Immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of the Great Wall, a monumental feat of engineering that stretches across thousands of miles, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into China's imperial past. Discover the mystical allure of the Forbidden City, once home to emperors, with its intricate palaces, ornate temples, and sprawling courtyards. Venture into the picturesque landscapes of Guilin, where limestone karsts rise majestically from emerald green waters, creating a scene straight out of a painting. Cruise along the legendary Yangtze River, witnessing the dramatic Three Gorges and experiencing the serenity of ancient towns nestled along its banks. China's cultural treasures are equally captivating. Explore the Terracotta Army in Xi'an, an awe-inspiring army of life-size statues guarding the tomb of Emperor Qin Shi Huang. Delve into the graceful art of Tai Chi or witness a mesmerizing traditional Chinese opera performance. For food enthusiasts, China offers a culinary journey like no other. Indulge in the aromatic flavors of Sichuan cuisine. Tantalize your taste buds with delicate dim sum in Guangzhou, or savor the delicate flavors of Beijing's world-renowned Peking duck. Beyond its iconic landmarks, China is a country of contrasts. Experience the bustling energy of modern metropolises like Shanghai, with its futuristic skyline and vibrant nightlife. Discover the tranquility of ancient water towns, where narrow canals, stone bridges, and traditional architecture transport you back in time. Hospitality is deeply ingrained in Chinese culture, and locals welcome visitors with warmth and genuine hospitality. Whether you're exploring the ancient wonders or embracing the modernity of China, the country will leave an indelible mark on your travel adventures.